Sanibonani ma-ground forces, sanibonani everyone and leaders. Ground forces uThabang lo ngithi ngeke ngibuyele kini comrades. I think ngimangele ukuthi bokwenzakeleni. I think I was not in contact for past 3 days. Phone ye yawe esikhwameni and somebody wayibona la bengihleli khona. Iwa from i-swag pen bengifakile. And then mangirealize ukuthi ifone ayikho by the time I come back phone was gone. So azange sakwazi ukuyithola mase ifonela zama ukuyilandelela sithola ukuthi seyiciniwe. But ma-ground forces ngicabanga ngicela nje uku-apologize kule program emele sibe nayo. There was yenye communication ekuwukuthi bengahambanga kahle. Program was not supposed to have been cancelled according to the regional detachment. It never said the program must be postponed or the program to be ihlanganiswe nemineral ya Sunday. So the only problem is that kwenzakele ukuthi ucommunicate nokuthi mhlambe sibambisane yona i-region detachment ikwazi ukusizana at least nayo i-ground force ngoba kule program yabo gogo since nabo bebenza something on Sunday. But I think izinto azange zihambe kahle comrades. So ngicela ukuba uapologize lapho. Mina bengithandile because of ama-ground force mayenza into ayenzela umphakathi azasiza nathi e-Ward 29. It wasn't a program of an individual, it wasn't my program. It was a program bazosiza kubo gogo, especially nabo gogo laba abawu-3 abayi-4 besiba-identifyile abadinga ngempela abasangakhona ukuhamba abadinga leyo ama-walking stick nama-wheelchair. Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu ukuthi kuze kwafika la ifike khona ngenxa nje yokuluza ifoni just few days all of a sudden into just went south singasa-end up asiba nayo i-program. Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu yiko-ke bengafuni ukuyifaka kakhulu indaba zepolitiki leningi mina ngizwisisi abantu balebulane ngale ndlela ezingekho right because of kanjani. Thina sila uzosebenzela umphakathi, sisebenzela abantu, sishintshe impilo zabantu la eSouth Africa under umkhonto wesizwe. So but then kuney'nkulumonyana ezinokuphuma nje zingajabulisi sometimes. Kuba nzima nokuthi manje kumele ukhulume kanjani nabanye abantu awusazi because uthi loku sokuyi-problem, uthi loku soyalebulwa and then certain things. But as a candidate I wanted to say no, ngiyaxolisa whatever yenzakele and nami ngifile ubuhlungu ukuthi kungayenzeki le program. But-ke manje ma-ground force naku ngikucelayo sifane ama-virgin akasakwazi ukufika azosiza abogogo due to into ethile. Bengicela ama-ground force ngicela kungalahlwa yini, ngicela kungalahlwa yini ma-G force, ngiyacela kakhulu. The campaign has been difficult for me nokhuluma iqiniso. No resource have been coming in kulokunzima since throughout. Khona manje bokucala manje ukuthi kufike ukuthi kube nokudla ceda ukuthengwa ukuthi kuzosizwa nama-volunteers, but sonke lesikhathi it's been very quiet. Yes, regional has been trying la ezama khona nabo whoever has been trying labazama khona, but it's been very difficult. Ama-funds abophile aboshiwe. So bengathanda comrades ngicela-ke ukuthi at least Monday-ke if ngingacela-ke ma-ground force from your support Ward 29 senze i-program bengicela lasenoGasere leyo ukuthi vele initially siyasakhuluma ngayo before le ama-food parcel ukuthi at least Monday sihambeni sovala nemigodi lapha noGasere ku-main road. Ngiyacela ma-comrades please if ningakhona ukuthi nisisize lapho nokuthi ngicele ukuthi mhlambe kubo gogo labo kaba u-3 kuphela labo esibabonile abangena ama-wheelchair. Ngiyacela please comrades if ningangizwela ningizwele comrades siye kubo labantu labo. For mina to be honest it's not about the food. Angithandi ipolitiki yesizwe efana nale yama-ANC upha abantu ama-food parcels before kuyovotwa, angithandi lento leyo. But ukusiza ukushintsha ukuvala i-pothole into yokuthi wonke umuntu uyayisebenzisa istrata nama-motorists they do use that street. Uyabona, and especially when it comes to labo gogo i-wheelchair lento iyibusiso ezakithi as an organization and as futhi ama-ground forces we will be blessed for that. So bengakuthanda comrades if ever please ningangizwela sikwazini ukuthi senze lokho. Ngiyaxolisa ngoko konke okwenzakele. It wasn't mina comrades and it wasn't mina ukuthi kungathanda ukuthi kusebenzakele emini region. Never said lento ipostpone ingayenziwi, be-alawile ukuthi ama-ground force afika yenze into bafuna ukuyenza ngoba siza i-Ward 29 for ama-by-elections and asiza futhi amanye abantu kuyi-community ukuthi bakwazi ukubona ukuthi umkhonto uyakwazi ukusiza la usiza khona. Ngiyabonga mphakathi, ngiyabonga kahle ama-ground force and all the comrades that are here egroupini.